Welcome to Socionext, an embedded world. With over 40 years of expertise in system-on-chip development and a vast IP portfolio, Socionext stands as a pillar of excellence and reliability across various industry sectors. Join us as we unveil what's on show just for you. Automotive. I would like to introduce Marcus, who is the Automotive Marketing Director at Socionext Europe. Marcus, what makes your display controllers unique in the automotive market?
Well, automotive display applications have been growing for years. These applications have very different requirements for which our graphic display controllers offer the right solution, mainly due to the high integration. So we have not only integrated the SerDes connection to the head unit to receive graphical content, but also a number of sophisticated 2D functions which can be operated on the fly.
I know your smart display controllers are now in their 4th generation. What are the new features in the latest generation?
Over the past years, we have collected a number of additional requirements that lead to the features of the new graphic display controller family. For example, a more powerful CPU for handling abstract protocols or local dimming functionality. Speaking of local dimming, we can now support up to 1024 LED zones, which can all be controlled and monitored independently. This allows for higher graphical quality, but also saves power. For the more sophisticated head-up displays to come, image pre-distortion, which we call warping on the fly, can now be done with higher precision and without any delays. This even includes the inspection of graphical elements, which always needs to be displayed correctly.
The features described sound like a complete solution for display applications. What comes next? What features will the market demand going forward?
Well, we continue to see an increase in display resolution, but also the combination of multiple panels into one physical display. Using the latest semiconductor technology, we will continue to make sure that all these necessary features and the performance can be integrated into one single chip. Then in the future, security is getting more important also for display applications. So we will continue to enhance features such as secure booting, authentication, or a secure method for entering personal data via a touch panel. Finally, we are following the trend of the automotive industry to define a common standard for SerDes links for video applications. And we will work closely with our customers to integrate such a standard if needed.
Radar sensing. I would like to introduce Miguel Estevez, Marketing Manager for Radar Sensor Technology at Socionext Europe. Miguel, could you tell us why this product is attracting so much attention?
Yes, radar solutions have been interesting in the last years because of the possibilities that these products are offering. But Socionext was one of the first companies in integrating many things on the chip, like the antennas and some signal processing, and achieving a very small size for the chip and also a very low power.
That sounds quite innovative. Could you explain what makes this product so groundbreaking compared to existing solutions?
Yes, I mentioned one is the antennas on the chip. It is called antenna in package. It means the antennas are already built in the package. You don't need any external antennas, which would mean a very complex analog design for the PCB. And then we added also the signal processing inside, like FFT, like CIFAR engine, and some other blocks for distance measurement, angle detection, and so on. And with these possibilities, you can use a very low power MCU externally, achieving a low power for the whole system on the chip. And these are the major key features of our solutions in all our chips.
With such advanced features, are there any other applications beyond automotive where this product could be used?
Yes, of course, because with this type of products, you can realize any kind of automotive functions, automatic functions on the products, like on-off or wake-up. You can, for example, detect persons in order to open doors, as automatic door open, closing, and you can make some more sophisticated applications like falling detection. You can really see if a person is falling down or you can differentiate between persons and animals, and you can also control automatically heating systems for switching off if the persons are not in the room, and many other things. Everything which is requiring some automatic function on it.
IoT communications, meet Nessum. I'm here with Tomislav Drensky, who is Marketing Manager at Socionext. Tomislav, could you explain what Nessum is?
There's a certified product which ensures we have a complete ecosystem, Nessum ecosystem, which also then allows and justifies to have interoperability over different products and over different countries worldwide. Chips that we are promoting here is the fourth generation. So of course you can imagine since 2000 up to now, many new features came up, new ideas, many new user cases came up. So especially with the Internet of Things, IoT, or Society 5.0, many new feature sets had to be implemented. And this is all done over all the years in the Nessum technology. Long distance, reliable and secure data transmission.
And how does it compare to other PLCs?
Yes, like mentioned, HDPLC enables long distance, very safe data communication. But it also has a broadband, which means it transmits high data rates. So you can transmit 250 megabits per second over long distances, right?
I can see your demonstration is a Nessum radar sensor concept. How does the radar sensor work with Nessum?
So as you can see, we have here a demo setup, one with the 60 gigahertz radar sensors from Socionext, here one with 24 gigahertz radar sensors from Socionext. These devices or solutions for itself are state of the art, but in this demo and compared with Nessum, I just want to show how easy it is to control any kind of devices.
Are there any specific use cases where Nessum technology plays a vital role?
Smart building solutions or building management kind of solutions, where maybe the long distance does not play so much of a role, where more important is that it's small size, that it's cheap, that it has low power. Especially very important for building management kind of applications is that you can connect many nodes. Like I said, you can connect up to 1,000 nodes. That's a very important feature for this kind of applications. So Nessum again is in that case a perfect fit. One thing maybe which I also forgot, which is very important for the building management thing, is that you can use any kind of wire within Nessum. So not only power line cables, you could use flat cables, you could use coax cables, right? Twisted pair cables are very common in data communications, and you can use any kind of cable. Everything what is electrical can cope with electricity, right?
As we wrap up at Embedded World, Socionext's SoC innovation is ramping up. Before we say goodbye, make sure you say hello to our new online SoC Configurator. The link is in the description below. It's designed to simplify your SoC design process and bring your ideas to life. Don't miss out on exploring how you innovate. Socionext stands at the forefront of innovation, bringing cutting-edge SoC solutions right to your fingertips. Think solution SoC, think Socionext.